Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abut. 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 Abut is a verb used to describe the act of being adjacent to, touching, or bordering something, typically in a linear or physical sense. It indicates that one thing comes into contact with or meets another at a common boundary. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The backyard of the house abuts the forest, providing a serene and natural view. Why abut is used in example number 1. Abuts is used to describe how the backyard and the forest come into contact or border each other, emphasizing the picturesque view. Example number 2. The office building abuts the city park, allowing employees to enjoy green spaces during breaks. Why abut is used in example number 2. Abuts indicates that the office building is adjacent to the city park, highlighting the convenient access to green spaces for employees. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.